Bitcoin price affected, of course, because of geopolitical situation, but it might go to 300K and plus after the halving. You want to know everything about this? You want to know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo. Today, we have the halving near. It's just hours ago, and Chico Crypto telling us that maybe we are up for a good treat. That would be Bitcoin going in just 1 year, 12 months to 300,000. That would be so awesome, and it is possible, allegedly, according to him, because if we think how much Bitcoin increased in previous halvings, it was as much as 547% on 2020 and 285% on 2016. So if we do average, that would mean we might have a 416%. That would be 319 and plus, which is awesome. If you want to watch the whole video, I'm going to leave you the link to Chico Cryptos in the description below. But I asked ChatGPT and Gemini for a sum up of all that information, and you can see that in the video, Chico Crypto is kind enough of giving you what's going to happen with the halving after just 1 month, 6 months, and then 1 year. So after 1 month, Bitcoin might go up 4%. This is the less interesting one because in the previous halvings, Bitcoin went up and down and also flat. So, well, it doesn't really matter. But 6 months after the halving, price might be up for a 79% if we consider previous cycles, 85% up in 2020 and 73% in 2016. So that will bring Bitcoin price above 100K. Awesome. And 1 year, as we told you, 416% and beyond 300K, which would be really, really nice. But we need to fight volatility right now. And you'll see that we broke this line. We didn't want to. And we went as low as 59,000 for 2 times. So that's down for 60,000. And then yet we recovered. See, this day, price of Bitcoin with good and bad news, the halving and the strike drone attacks, well, it doesn't know where to go. We're going to be really paying attention about the stock market with Market Watch. Again, it went down because of that information, and at the same time, dollar went up because people try to find a safe haven out there. Why is Bitcoin and gold behaving differently? We have no clue whatsoever right now. It should be a safe haven, but it's not right now. And the thing is, as we told you, that we have things like this, those strikes, those drones. Well, stock market goes down or it doesn't. In any case, the thing is that if Bitcoin is open and the market is closed, Bitcoin is the one that tells you what's going to happen, what's going on. So you can see that at the point that we knew that information, price of Bitcoin was going down as the market was closed. Once the market opened and we saw that there was not a big a deal, when Bitcoin price started going up again. Maybe because of the other most important variable today, the Bitcoin halving. We are just hours away. Really interesting stuff. And we consider, we thought that Bitcoin halving was going to be April the 20th. And if we go as fast as we are going right now mining, it might be on the 19th. That would be no good because we wanted it connected with the marijuana day out there, cannabis party. And we are up for speculations right now. Like, for example, is Bitcoin price going to be in 69K by that point? Remember, this is all related with Elon Musk. Remember that Elon Musk's birthday is precisely 69 days after the halving event. So maybe it would be quite a simulation proof that we've been in 69 tomorrow, or maybe even at 4:20 p.m. That would be legendary. Of course, Elon Musk here having just some fun. Maybe he is even Satoshi Nakamoto after all. okay? Or maybe in 69 days, we're going to be in $42,000. Everything is possible here with Bitcoin. We don't know for sure if it's going to be on the 19th or the 20th, but it's okay. What we know for sure is that we are just like 100 blocks away, and this is mathematical proof. If you want to know more about this, go to BTC Andres on YouTube or Twitter. Really interesting stuff always. You learn more about the technical stuff and things like, for example, this, you can have an empty block. The miners can block an empty one of those. Why would be that? Well, because they want to do it really, really fast. So they start trying even when they don't have transactions on the blocks. But if you want to know everything about this, go to this thread and well, with Thread Reader, you can have all those things like sum up for you. I just found this one. You have to go there and like copy paste this link from this thread. Then you go to Thread Reader app and you copy paste that and just write enroll and then mention this Thread Reader app with their hashtag. If you do that, then you're going to have this, and it's really easier to read that way. Why we have those empty blocks? Well, read it, but as I told you, this is the short version. Also, you need to know that we have one empty block every 2 weeks, approximately. So really interesting. And also, for those concerning about energy consumption, a block full of transactions and a block empty will waste the same amount of energy that is terrible if you use the GPU you have for mining, because you are just making worse global warming allegedly. But it's okay if you play lol with it. You know the hypocrisy out there. So yeah, we'll see if we have empty blocks that are mined really, really fast, or maybe blocks that are mined in 2-5 hours. Are the miners colluding in order to have the halving exactly at 420 on the 20th? We'll see about that here. Remember to smash the like button if you are learning stuff in this channel with these charts. Like, for example, the one we have been following. This is just hours before the third halving, second halving, and the first halving. And you can see that, well, volatility out there again. Red, green, and red in the past. And after that, some action of Bitcoin price up. So, well, expect in the next hours something like that. But again, as Chico Crypto told us, it's going to be up and down in the next month or so. And it's also curious to see that on 2012 halvings day, we have Bitcoin on $10. On 2016, it was 650. In 2020, we had 8,800. And in 2024, we might have 69,000. So we are adding a new zero every time. What it's going to be like in 4 more years, it's going to be, again, legendary. And here from Max, well, he says that we are following path of 2016. And if that's so, we might expect some price for Bitcoin going down and then up in a couple of weeks or months. So we have to still be patient out there. But you can see that Google searches for Bitcoin having just reached all new time highs. So we have interest out there. Also here, you have having ads running on Thailand's major subways. So more and more adoption and that volatility for Bitcoin. But any case, here we have just the idea from CryptoCon that we need these corrections. And we now are just to have these corrections not higher than 30%. So that's why we are maybe scared right now. But we can expect 30% corrections in the entire cycle. And those are healthy ones. Or maybe we are not going to have those and we are going to follow the path we told you in previous video that will bring us up from 100K around May 2024. You want to know about this? Then go and watch the last crypto news if you didn't or if you forgot about it. We have good charts there like the bullish pennant. So go and watch them. Do not miss one of these crazy charts I bring you. And also consider that we told you another argument out there for Bitcoin going down is the tax season in United States that we, of course, know that some people need to sell Bitcoin in order to pay that. And if you are living in Spain or other countries, beware of your tax season. In Spain, you still have time, but not a lot of time. So start today, maybe for this weekend, you have a 10% discount if you want to use coin tracking. The tool I use myself, the only one I believe is useful if you want to track your portfolio and also do your taxes. And with coin tracking, we asked you, and I want us to work together with this one and how you learn. Are you using social media, podcast, maybe a specific site for crypto news? Just please answer this poll. And also, if you can leave me a comment below saying which one specifically, maybe another crypto YouTuber, maybe a specific site, so that we keep on searching on the best places for learning crypto. Thank you very much. You also have this on YouTube, or you can leave me a comment below in this very video with your favorite YouTubers, your favorite sites, etc., etc. Thank you very much. The market is in the green right now, and maybe talking to you with the McDonald's M. So you need to keep on working till we go to the next all-time high. Any case, the bubbles are going up, and we are happy to see the market still greedy, and we are fearful of the fiat world, like they are printing money out of thin air. You can see it here with this crazy machine. So terrible they can do that, and then things like this happens. The Japanese yen is collapsing faster than a shitcoin snubbed by SBF from jail. See left side of the image. Years and years of endless money printing to buy up half of their own country's debt, sounds familiar, is the formula that does a nation in every single time. That formula is called bankruptcy when we do it, but when countries do it, it's called monetary policy or fiscal spending. On the other hand, the Japanese people who store what they had in Bitcoin have not only escaped this massive theft and evaporation of wealth, but they have actually flourished. See the right side of the image. Which side of this image would you want to put your entire life's work, store, or save? Of course, you prefer Bitcoin. Tell everybody, even though JP Diamond is continuing calling Bitcoin a fraud and a Ponzi scheme, even after JP Morgan serving as an authorized participant for BlackRock Spot ETF. That is something that should be illegal, as this Twitter is telling us, and I believe that's true. I can't believe this is possible in United States. And Eric Barchuna is telling us that IBIT from BlackRock keeps on buying, and we have 67 days, in a row buying, with a total net flows at 15 plus billion dollars, which is amazing. And they just released another commercial asking everybody for buying more of their IBIT ETF. Also, Mr. 100 keeps on buying more than BlackRock and Fidelity combined. Who or what country is behind that address? Maybe we'll know in the future. And I was so happy reading this, but then I was so sad again. So another of these for Gary Gensler in the SEC. He says, it's been an honor to serve as the SEC Gov chair over the past 3 years. So I thought this was a resignation tweet, but it's not. He's just proud of his bad job out there. Gary Gensler, go home and go now. We prefer a dog with a hat being chair of the ECC, the best cryptocurrency today. And beware, cause Dogecoins might go up. As remember, 69 days after April the 20th, we have Elon Musk's birthday. So we're going to pay attention at Dogecoin price action. I will tell you in the next video what I believe that might happen with this, and using drones and using meme coins Better for spectacles like this one in Dubai than for striking, for killing people. So why can't just be all in peace? Consider also that Bitcoin dominance is in an all-time high, 3-year all-time high at 55.19. So for these meme coins and for these altcoins, may be difficult to go higher as long as this is like this. Do not forget that you're still in time on time for this giveaway from Trezor. Go to the Twitter. You just need to retweet, tag two friends, and like it, and you are up for one of these Trezor Model 1s that you might win. 5 of them are going to be drawn. Also, you need to know that Trezor just rolled out a new version of Trezor desktop app, version 24.4.2. So 420 again. The new feature, the value of tokens and stake amounts are now shown in the sidebar menu, making it easier to keep track of your assets. For more improvements, bugs, and fixes, follow the information. Really, really nice information you need to know about Trezor. You have the link in the description below. Buy it today. You help us with that link. Thank you very much. And also use the link in the description below for having your cryptocurrencies card from Bybit. You still 11 days for the possibility of making 15 euros with IRALO. So really, really nice. And you can make up to 25 euros in bonuses if you use the link in the description below and you are a new user. And if you want to keep on earning tokens, remember OVR, we created a second dedicated video, and here I will make a walk step by step how to do it and make a good money. So go there right now. And to the end of the video for Ethereum, that is still there in the important lines. So we'll see about that. And one thought from Telegram CEO. I've had few $100 million in my bank account or Bitcoin since 10 years ago. He says that he's not buying houses, he's not buying cars, because his one priority in life is freedom. So remember, we want financial freedom. We don't want no Lamborghini, but to be happy and have time, which is the final currency. And also love, like this cat is loving you, as we are loving each other here in Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo, telling you everything about crypto, but not just crypto, also artificial intelligence in our other channel, AI News. You find the link in the description below. Go there and keep on learning, or if you want to learn more about crypto, then one of these videos, of course. We will celebrate in the next video the Bitcoin halving and these years together. Thank you all for being there. Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the